Have you ever heard of a slaughter? I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test?
When you gonna put me up on one of your videos or something? You know I can still get out. Check this out.
Such a blessing to me and their families here with me today, too, the mother and father. This is amazing, so I'm going to bring them to you right now and let them tell you who they are, okay? So you all come right on in, and we're going to be here for a while because they have some great information they want to share with you all, and we have got to know more about them because they are phenomenal. Okay, so I'm going to bring them to you now. Let's tell me a little bit about you, Mr. King.
I'm International King, I'm worldly, I travel the globe, and we're currently stopping by in Atlanta, Georgia to check out some of your beautiful clothing. But I'm international and I love everything that comes across me.
Exactly. My brother and I are young entertainers. A lot of the time, the young people, we're trying to inspire young folk around us. My brother is 14 years old, just turned 14, and I just turned 17 years old.
Beautiful you are. Oh my goodness. So let's see about your crown, because I know you're forever wearing those fabulous chapeaus.
Yes, ma'am.
So ladies out there, you all have got to get you one, because I even saw it that you can order them online, huh?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. On our site, on our Instagram, our website will be in the link in the bio, but we sell things like our hats, and we sell clothes, shirts, headscarves, everything.
We have our Jamaican clothing line as well as our Jamaican shampoo.
That's
which
right.
You can pick up
That's
for
the
yourself.
product. Yeah, the product that you all are promoting right now. But that's one of the reasons you're here, right?
Ross and I are currently working on getting it into salons, and you can order it online from our link in the description or on our link in our bio.
Exactly. Some of the salons are listed on our Instagram that have it in their store, but you can mainly find it on our website. We have our Jamaican shampoo, like my brother said, and our Jamaican hair gel if you want to twist up your locks and style them. We've been using that shampoo since we were born. It's been through a lot of our family and generations back that's been passed on to us.
Wow, so your product definitely helps your hair to grow, I see.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my goodness, I may need to start back wearing it, because I am totally bald.
Well, you
But
look
it's by
beautiful.
choice, it's by choice. I used to have locks too, but I'm gonna start back eventually. And of course, I'm gonna use your product.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Once again, what's the name of the product?
The product is called Rose in Gold Jamaican Shampoo.
Yes, so stores out there, if you all need their product, please give them a call. What is your number once again? They can reach you?
214-908-1995.
And I'm going to say it one more time, 214-908-1995.
Yes.
You can also contact us on our Instagram, Facebook, or our YouTube, or
Yeah.
Gmail, which
Wow.
is roseandgold.us@gmail.com.
That is so amazing. Your mother and father are phenomenal. Yes, so I am so grateful to meet you all. And tell us once again, now, how did you all really get started? Give us a little history.
We got started for our Jamaican products. It was really something that we did our entire life, but we were just kind of waiting on the products. We didn't want to put it out there too fast because we were kind of experimenting with our dreads. But we noticed that wherever we went, people were saying, wow, how do you get your dreads so long? And
Yeah.
my brother and I,
Question.
so long. And how do you keep it maintenance? How do you keep it together? Because a lot of people don't really know how to keep their dreads thriving and healthy. And so we came up with Jamaican shampoo and Jamaican gel.
Wow. So you all hear them out there? Oh my goodness, you all, you have got to give them a call because they are the ones. I love them. They're such a wonderful young team. Yes, and young people out there, listen up, because they have something that you all may want to even join them in doing.
Yes,
We are
ma'am.
definitely looking for people like you all to even to introduce to others and to carry your product here even maybe one day.
Yes,
In the
ma'am.
store, yes. So what else do you want the people out there to know?
Just the basic facts that we are also, once again, models and hair models, big on hair models, and actors and singers.
Beautiful. Actors and singers? Oh my God.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so what type of music? What singing? What type of
We really do a little bit of everything. We like to go into things that are out of our boundaries, a little bit of creativity, but our main focus, once again, is more modeling, hair modeling, acting, and our Jamaican shampoo products, because we want to spread the love of dreads around the world. And not even dreads, you can use the Jamaican products on normal hair too. So get a little bit creative with it.
That is amazing. I'm so happy, so grateful. It's such a blessing meeting you all this week. Every week at Wilbourn Sister Designs, God always bring me phenomenal people in. So you all are fabulous, and I love you all forever, and I thank you all for being a part of this team too, because we have a whole lot to share with the people out in the world. Let's see now, Dr. King. Let's see now. What else you say you want to tell them out there?
We want to tell everyone out there, if you have any boundaries you're seeing, break them down and try to merge with other things. For example, don't limit yourself to one thing. Make it everything. International.
Yes, international. Follow them once again, you all, on YouTube. How can they find their YouTube channel? Because I know I was checking it out the other night and I left it on there for hours.
Yes, ma'am. It should be roseandgold.us. And if you want to contact our Gmail, roseandgold.us@gmail.com. Twitter is currently in the works. Instagram is the same as always, roseandgold.us, but all lowercase.
Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let's see. Now, let's come on over here into the jewelry section. Jewelry, they love everything. So they said they like the jewelry and things. So let's see. On this little jewelry rack right here, I have all kinds. So let's start just looking at it. Let's see if there's something there you like.
Yes, ma'am. I was particularly looking at this one, the orange one. And my brother was really liking this purple one right here because the colors are just beautiful.
So you love the stones and what they represent.
Yes, ma'am. The energy and the aura.
So as far as jewelry and accessories and things, do you all collect a lot of jewelry, a lot of things all the time?
I'm wearing one right now for energy and the core.
Yeah. Okay, which one?
Thank you, ma'am.
You like that one? Beautiful.
And the great thing about your store is it's really unique. You don't find a lot of stores like this. It has just pure creativity, pure energy, and pure good vibes. Just
wonderful. That is very, very important. Very eclectic, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
You can find this in Atlanta at the Wilbourn Sisters Boutique. But my sister and I, we want to show you around with all of the custom and spectacular clothing.
Yes. So tell us what you think about the store, because I know I'm over in here all the time doing me. Doing Wilbourn Sisters.
All of this is customly handmade.
Yes, it is. This is our new spring line that we're bringing in. We have linen tops. A lot of our tops are actually unisex. And of course, we're at the beginning of the new season. So of course, we're making them all the time. We're starting to even create more for spring and summer. All types of little fun halters and little pull over tops and dresses and things. So we got to design you all some pieces.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we're going to design you all something. I think it'll be fabulous. That is actually a scuba knit fabric here. We have all types of textures of fabrics, knits and linens and cottons, different necklines. But it's all about fun and fashion with Wilbourn Sister Designs, you all. We are so grateful. So let's see, what else you want to tell them out there? Because you all are phenomenal. I love you so much. I am so proud of you all.
Well, thank you, ma'am. Dr. Ross and I, we love this store. This is the store that we've been looking for.
Really?
This has
my goodness. So we got to get you all a branch right there where you are from. Where are you from again?
We're from Dallas, Texas, but we usually fly back and forth to Atlanta and LA.
Okay, well, those are two places. My sister is actually in Los Angeles. So I've got to introduce you to my sister, Carolyn Wilbourn. She's the head designer of Wilbourn Sister Designs. And she designed and manufactures them there in LA. And of course, we're constantly shipping things and getting them here in Atlanta. So we'll definitely make sure you all get her information. Yes. It's all about us connecting, and you all can even go into her store. She's in Culver City, right there in Los Angeles. You know where the Ladera House is?
Yes.
Park and all that. She's directly right in the front of that park.
We'll
But
make sure to drop by.
I'm gonna make sure you all get our information. Yes, but I am so excited. Let's see, before we end, let's go back into the Legacy Lounge because we're gonna end up doing something fabulous. They're leaving out a little later on today, you all. So I am just so grateful that they were able to visit us once again before they left.
Well, we're grateful that we walked into your store. It's really a place that is full of magic. It really is.
I think that is a blessing. Over in the Legacy Lounge, you all, over here on this side is where I do teaching and I bring in people like them to create a workshop, create some type of little fancy event where we can introduce you all to people. And this is our designer area here with all the designs on the wall where it's kind of like it's becoming a museum, Wilbourn Sister Design Museum. I need clients in pictures. So ladies out there, if you're wearing a Wilbourn Sister Design or if you're a brand ambassador already, I need you to send me your pictures in So we can put them in our book and also put them on the wall. Yeah, because these are wraps and fun, loose, long wraps. Look at that. See that? That's fabulous already. Look at them. Look how fabulous that is.
They look marvelous.
It's amazing.
Too.
They're wonderful.
very
They're
royal.
warm. They're free size. And then that's actually a coat. And he's wearing the cape. And the cape that he's wearing is actually reversible. So the good thing about Wilbourn Sister Designs, they fit everyone and they look good on everyone. And the energy is fabulous, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. You feel that royal energy that.
Because you all are royalty.
Thank you, ma'am.
Let's sit back on the throne because we're going to end it right here because you all are amazing. And we're so grateful that you all came in today. You really blessed us with your presence. And once again, tell them out there how they can reach you.
From our Instagram, roseingold.us. For YouTube, roseingoldus, and the same thing for Facebook.
And
Yes.
we want to say that it's an honor coming here. All of
It
the
really
clothing
is.
and everything is spectacular. If you haven't, come down here, get some clothing, get a bracelet, get some earrings, and get some culture.
Yes, that's what I'm
Wearing the
saying.
bracelet
You all.
right now.
That's what I'm talking about. Right here at Wilbourn Sister Design, there's always something fabulous happening. Let's see. I'm gonna get in there with them. Look. Yes, so that's what it's all about. Us coming together as a family, and I'm so grateful that they chose to come in here to bless me with their presence today. So thanks once again, you all. I love you so much, and
Thank
you all,
you,
my
ma'am.
little brother and my little niece and nephew. Okay, this is a family down here, you all. So come check us out. Once again, like I say, I'm downtown Atlanta on Peachtree Street and also in Los Angeles, California with my sister. Yes, so follow us once again on WilbournSisterDesigns.com.